Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad 2. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, continue and allow. And thanks to the Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, divided to categories, internal storage itself, favorites, save folder and recents. Then you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files, clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and in the end you can go to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.